Hey people, here's that Master 140 that I just picked in my last vid. And I got it sawn down here to where I should be able to.
I don't know. I met him this morning at Surfside Mall. He said he wanted to take me for a ride. And you rode with him? He was cute and he had a cool car. Your stolen car that you would drive. I didn't know it was stolen. He sent me out to get donuts and a pack of cigarettes. I see. Why didn't you go twice? I wanted to. But he said if I wasn't back in 20 minutes...
Okay, there we go.
He'd kill the guy from the police car.
Now, from what I know,
Exactly where the three of you were staying.
these locks are pinned differently. Some will have one spool, some will have two. Some will have one serrated pin and a couple of spools, but here we go, we'll have a look and see. This one has 1, 2, 3, 3 spools and 1 serrated pin. So, well, that's the first time I've ever seen that. Yeah, so there you have it, Master 140. It's a 4-pin lock, 3 spools, 1 serrated. So this goes off to the scrap yard for brass recycling. Peace, don't break the law, have fun.